Hello kids, today we are going to learn all the shapes. No, no, yes, this is oval. This is blue oval. No, no, yes, this is trapezoid. No, 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 yes, this is square. This is green square. No, no, yes, this is pie. No, no, no. This is hexagon. This is red hexagon. No, no. Yes, this is star. This is star. No, no, no. Yes, this is cross. This is blue cross. No, no. Yes, this is circle. This is yellow circle. No, no. Yes, this is heart. This is heart. Ooh. No, no. Yes, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. No, no. Yes, this is parallelogram. No, no, no. Yes, this is semicircle. No, no. Yes, this is octagon. This is octagon. No, no. Yes, this is triangle. This is red triangle. No. Yes, this is pentagon. This is pentagon. Yes, this is quadrifoil. This is quadrifoil. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video. Wow wow.